Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to run packs. The color doesn't really matter. There's usually white, blue, and red. I usually buy 300 feet of packs for $77. I've got a red one right here, 300 feet, 300 feet of blue. The blue and the white, I usually use it for cold water. The red, just use it for hot water. It doesn't really matter which one you use it for. You know, if you don't got the red one, you can use the white and the blue. It's just identification for you to identify which one is which. As you can see right here, 10 feet of copper, $25. 100 feet of PEX, 300 feet of PEX, $77. This is not the. Also, this is the half-inch type L. That's why it's $25 instead of $10. Like you see, it's a little bit thicker. So running PEX is very simple. You want to connect copper pipe to PEX. It's very simple. As you can see right here, copper pipe. Say for example, you got a copper running already, but you want to reconnect with PEX. All you need to do is get one of these fitting, put it in, and all you need to do is solder that and connect it with a PEX line. Connect PEX and crimp it in. I'm going to show you how to crimp it in also. Got your line here. Clamp two here. And just squeeze, and then squeeze it in. That's how you connect copper to PEX. You're not gonna get any leak. The good thing about running PEX is you can bend it any direction you want. I still use copper also on some part. I just don't run all PEX. I know how to do everything. Alright. Say for example, you don't know how to solder. You don't know how to solder, but you still want to run PEX. That's how you do it. Alright. Let me cut this up. Oh, by the way, here's how you remove the fitting. Okay. You need this tool right here to remove this fitting. Say for example, you still want to use it. You still want to use it. For example, you still want to use this fitting. What you want to do is a tool, and you break it. So you won't throw away the fitting. See, I cut it one piece already out. That's how you remove it. Now, remove the pegs out. And this is still good, see? So you won't throw away the fitting. The fitting is about $3-4 a piece. Some fitting will cost me a little bit more. Say for example, you don't know how to solder the copper into packs. You don't know how to solder copper into packs, you use sharkbite. Sharkbite come in every single angles. Sharkbite, turn water on off. 3/4 angle, alright, and 90 degree. Okay, but this is how you connect it. Sharkbite. If you don't know how, okay, click and then connect into the copper. Okay, that's it. It's not gonna go anywhere, and it's waterproof. Okay, and you need your tool for removal. Removing. Let me show you how to connect this one. Okay, you got your packs, got your connector. Okay, put your connector in, put in, connect. Okay. Okay. Get shortage. See that? When you just clamp and connect again. Alright. Simple. That's how you run packs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my video. Okay. Appreciate it.